What is up everyone, welcome back to another video. Before we start today's video going over the trades I took today to get me to my max daily profit, I just want to remind everyone that I'm running a giveaway for 250k accounts from MyFundedFutures, and the giveaway will be ending on the 8th, so make sure to go to that video that will pop up on the screen. You can find it on my YouTube channel, and I will put a pop-up link on the top right to take you to that video. If you want to participate in this giveaway, it is free to participate, and I'll be picking a 2 lucky winners after this weekend, so I can make sure everyone had the chance to participate in it, and I'll be picking the winner on a video just so you can make sure that I'm not favoring anyone over anyone or I'm not cheating. I just want to share the status of these 3 accounts that I'm copy trading together and the road to payout from Topstep. So starting off the day, I just want to quickly go over the what was my prediction and my buys for that day. So starting off from 9 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. My time, which is market open, which is 9:30 a.m. New York time, we had pre-market, we had the price to go down and traded into this imbalance, and also on the 1 hour this was a kind of like a PPR. On the 15 minutes it looks much better. This big inversion fair value gap, or this just FEG was supporting the price up, and I was going into the day bullish bias, and I wanted this buy side liquidity, this high and the previous day high. So I took a trade before news, and it was unfortunately a break-even trade. I took a trade on like the 30 seconds, which is right here. I took this inverse after delivering from this PPR on the 30 seconds, and I was looking to take this high TP right here first, and as you can see I got stopped out pretty quickly, and the price started to consolidate. This was the news at 9 a.m. my time or 10 a.m. New York time. After the news came, we manipulated up and distributed down and basically started to consolidate. I did not take any trades during this area because I saw the price was very choppy, although we had like SMT here and everything like that, but I just was not trusting it because we just manipulated and then took out that whole move that the news made. So it's either manipulation up, distribution down, or a move up, retracement, respecting that move and then continuing up. So that it did not do any of that, it just kept consolidating around, so I did not take any trades. This is the second trade I took. We had the PPR here, and I took the trade off of this candle, and I tried to target this high, but unfortunately I got in a bit late and I got stopped out at break even before my TP hits. I was not upset or anything, and the reason for my small TP because I knew today is very choppy and consolidating a lot. So I knew I cannot be targeting this ultimate high from this leg, so I just wanted to take a small profit. It did deliver, but it because my fill, I had a really bad fill, and it just took me out at break even. After hitting this high, I put it break even, and it took me out, delivered to my TP. No big deal, that's all right. This is the third trade I took, and it banked me $180, and I'll show you guys all the executions. Let me turn on my executions here. This is a new feature in Topstep that you can they allow you to look at your execution. So let me put this as black, or maybe, yeah, just like dark, so you guys can see it. So here are my executions. You can see this blue arrow, and I took me out at this candle, on this candle, break even. This is the second trade. This gave me $180. I got in this trade on this candle, and as you can see, it was actually right here. My fill was on this candle actually, and that's why my take profit was little, my $180. But anyway, my big profit, where I made the most amount of money, it was on this move up. And I as you can remember, this green line was one of the liquidity that I had drawn or marked buy side liquidity right here. This other green line is the other buy side liquidity, and as you can see, the move started from here. So I was on the 1 minute chart, and I was watching the price, and basically we had this bearish fair value gap being holding the price down, and kept holding the price down. Even we broke it here and we dumped lower, and the price was very choppy, back and forth, and we had like a lot of buy side liquidity that needed to be hit. So I got on the trade starting off on this candle, and I took a small scalp to this high, and I kept doing this and capitalizing on the move and expansion move towards this buy side liquidity. So I kept longing and taking very small scalping, like $8 or $10 move, and I kept doing that with one Nasdaq mini, and I kept going with the trend towards the drawn liquidity, which is this buy side liquidity and the previous day high. And I kept on taking very small profits with getting on here and just exiting and getting on and exiting. I cannot be holding a trade while a run like this and just hoping that it starts going in my direction to the buy side liquidity or the drawn liquidity. Especially today was very choppy, so I just did not want to hold the trade and hope that it hits and I get all my position out at a specific level. I tried to scalp my way to the drawn liquidity, which was a really nice and smart move to do. And I ended up making $1,500 for all the for all three accounts that I have linked, which is really nice, and I'm really proud of myself. And I'm sorry if I forgot to record this live, but the momentum going to these drawn liquidity was very good, and it was very volatile with very high and strong big momentum candles. That's why I jumped in and just took my scalps, and because I was not trusting the price to keep delivering cleanly to the drawn liquidity. So that is it for today's video, guys. That's all the trades that I took. This big move, I kept on scalping it, small points, and taking small profits, $50 there, $100 there, $200 there, and it basically put me out to $1,500, my max profit for the day on the three accounts, and I'm pretty proud of myself. Thank you all so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to participate in the giveaway. Participation will be ending on the 8th, which is this weekend, so make sure to participate if you would like to be a part of this giveaway. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.